It's currently 6:30 in the morning here, and I'm off out somewhere a little bit different today, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to get myself there, have a little jog there, and yeah, I'll tell you what it is before I set off properly. So where I'm running today is I'm going to the top of a volcano, and I'm trying to get there before sunrise, and that there is what I'm going up. A volcano, Tahiche, I believe it's called. And yeah, I'm excited about this one. I'm not exactly sure where to start, but we're gonna get there. Last little push, and yeah, I'm walking this bit because there's no way I'm running up that, but the views are absolutely ridiculous. Now how's that for a view? That is absolutely amazing. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down, I'm going to do a lap of the crater, getting out of this wind, I'm going to do a lap of the crater, and then I'm going to head back down. But this is absolutely stunning. Just look at that.